Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your game shares that are locked on your PlayStation 5. So you may have noticed there is a giant lock symbol next to one of your games on the home screen here. What we want to do is go up to the top, go to Settings, and select this. Go down to Users and Accounts. And scroll on down to where it says Other. And then go to the right. Now, we want to go to where it says Restore Licenses. Restore licenses for download content you can't use. So if you encounter some sort of lock issue or something like that, just go to the game, check mark it, and then go to Restore Licenses. And this should take about 2 to 3 minutes for this to download. And then most of the time, you will be good to go from here. Now, another reason you could be encountering this is because you lost your internet connection and you did not set your PlayStation 5 to console sharing offline play. So you got to go to this option right here when you do have a connection, and then just make sure you hit enable right here, and this will share Game Pass or PlayStation Plus to every other account on your PlayStation as well as your game. So you have to download the game first on your account, and then every other account will get it. But this will also allow you to play offline when you don't have a connection. And this is the reason why you might be getting that lock symbol on your games as well. So make sure this is set to enabled. Then we can go back, and sometimes there is some sort of account sync issue. So you want to sign out and then sign back in with your email address and password. So make sure you're doing that as well. And then one last thing that could be causing this issue is if you press the PlayStation button and then go on over to your account. You could be on the wrong account right now, and you're trying to access your game. So if maybe you have two controllers selected or connected, you could just be simply on the wrong account. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.